Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes Picks. Today is a parcel opening day and also a quick pick of another 6 lever secure it padlock. So anyway, this, I know what it is. Bobby Keyz, as everyone probably knows, is an avid 3D printer and he's made me a pinning tray. So he very kindly, I have opened this, saved me fiddling around with it. But let's have a look. He said he would do me one personalised to my Wes Picks channel. So let's get it up the right way. Yeah, look at that. You know, I've been wanting to get a 3D printer for ages, but I've just never got around to it. And I love it. Bobby, that is perfect. I will be incorporating that into many videos from now on. But anyway, let's do a quick pick as well, hopefully. One last look at that. Oh, I'm well pleased with that. That's fantastic. Perfect. Anyway, let's go over here. See if we can get. So there's the secure it 6 lever. As you can see, very nice. Quite nice bitting on it. Let's see if we can get it open a bit quick. Not opened this one yet, so 1, 2 and 3 are springy, 4 and 5 springy, a little bit of movement on 5 then, the thing with these securities, generally when you pick them with a padlock pick set, the tension size not quite long enough to throw the bolt completely. So we'll see if it's going to do it on this one. Quite a few springy ones in there. A little bit more movement on the core, on the tension tool. And we're in. Like I say, it doesn't always open, so you just push a little lever in there, and there we go. Anyway, thank you very much.